Welcome. In this week's video we are having a look at the twisted stocking stitch. Just like the normal stocking stitch, it is made with rows of purl and knit stitches, but these knit stitches are done through the back loop to create a twist in the stitch. So that will be the technique we will be taking a closer look at. Let's learn this technique. I'll start with the Continental first, then followed by the English style.
Front loop, back loop, wrap your yarn and pull it through. Back loop, wrap your yarn and pull it through. Back loop, wrap your yarn and pull it through. Front loop, back loop, wrap your yarn and pull it through. Back loop, wrap your yarn and pull it through. Back loop, wrap the yarn and pull it through.
Let's take a closer look at this stitch. To identify a stitch that has been knit through the back loop, we take a look at the bottom of the stitch. From this we can see that the stitch has been crossed so that the left leg of the stitch now leans to the right instead of the left. This stitch, when seen in a pattern, is abbreviated to TBL, so it would be written K followed by a number and TBL. Therefore, knit 2 through the back loop would be K2 TBL. Let's now put this stitch into practice as we learn the twisted stocking stitch.
Row 1 is knitting through the back loop for the entire length of the row. Turn your work, and row 2 is purling for the entire row.
Let me know what project you'll be using this stitch for, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.